When a burnt driver causes white picture. How to quickly zoom in on the bad COF. 40-inch Innolux panel with 8 COFs. Notice whole display is whitish. But there's a faint white bar here. Experience tells us when there's a bar in white picture, we suspect problem is caused by a bad COF. Interestingly, a quick look at the COF doesn't give it away as being bad. But upon closer examination, you spot the tiny burn on the silicon wafer. Although a replacement of the COF using a bonding machine offers the best solution, we decided to try an easy experimental fix. Seeing the short half-a-net gamma input, we scraped off the burn using the very pointy side of a razor blade. Cleaning the spot carefully yet deeply, using a solvent. Glue was applied to the spot as sealant. Picture improves.